Hexaflexagons are paper polygons with a hidden structure that enables multiple faces to be revealed by flexing or folding the paper in a specific sequence. Let's follow the steps to create this amazing pattern. We start with cutting out our pattern using a sharp scissors. Once the pattern is cut out, proceed to fold along each marked dashed line, alternating the folds back and forth. This step creates the necessary flexibility for the hexaflexagon. Precision matters here. Even slight deviations during cutting and folding can affect the final result. Take your time and make sure every cut and fold is clean. Upon completing the initial folding, flip the pattern over and apply a thin layer of glue to the back surface. Avoid excessive adhesive, as it can hinder the pattern's flexibility. Now, fold the bottom half upwards, applying gentle pressure with your fingers. Allow a brief moment for the fold to set. Next, we fold the paper along the indicated line. Your pattern will gradually take shape. Once again, fold the paper along the designated line, ensuring the folded part overlaps the bottom portion. Now, rotate your pattern. Apply glue to the marked areas and securely join them together. Your hexaflexagon is almost done. Notice that the front side has a complete image while the back side looks fragmented. This is normal, as we will unfold the pattern from the front side. Allow a few minutes for the glue to dry. Then proceed to fold the pattern once more along each indicated line. Now, you can reveal all three sides of the pattern by gently pushing from the edges and pulling from the center. Each manipulation will unveil a new face, showcasing the captivating nature of hexaflexagons. You can find this hexaflexagon pattern and many others in the book titled Folded Wonders, Hexaflexagons of Art, Cities, and Icons.